EandM was founded in 1955 by Mario Diaz and his son Edgar as a full-service electric motor repair facility in Geyserville, California, catering mainly to the extensive lumber industry of Northern California. Less than a year later, EandM moved to Healdsburg, California, in the heart of Sonoma County wine country, where its headquarters is still located today. In the early 1980s, as two of Edgar's sons graduated from college with engineering degrees, the company began to evolve and shift its focus to selling and advising businesses on how to automate their processes using programmable controls, specialized computers that control a machine's actions.
When Apple Computer wanted to design an automatic storage and retrieval system, they called EandM. When Chevron wanted to transmit their pipeline data to the home office, they called EandM.
When factories decide they need to automate, they come to us. We help them with every step in the process.
Almost 40 years later, EandM is now considered California's leader in automation.
EandM represents the top automation products in the industry. We've expanded to over 100 employees, 4 locations throughout California, and we've experienced incredible growth.
When we look back at where we were when we started 60 plus years ago, I can't believe what the company has become. Of course, it's been great seeing the growth over the years. I'm even more proud to see the trust and integrity that has become part of the backbone of our company.
Part of this stems from EandM's close-knit family culture.
When you work at EandM, you become part of the EandM family. People enjoy working here. 40% of our employees have been here for 5 years or more. 20% have been with the company more than 10 years. This high level of tenure is the reason our customers have put their trust in EandM. We know our stuff, and our customers know they can count on us every step of the way to keep their businesses running.
Our experienced team of account managers and product specialists put themselves in our customers' shoes. They listen to their challenges. They understand what worries them. They recognize that making technology choices is difficult. Customers don't want to make the wrong choice. They don't want to be led down a dead-end path. We have a reputation of sticking with it until it's right, until our customers are comfortable with their decision.
EandM also appreciates that time is money and customers don't have time to wait for their product to be delivered or a technical question to be answered.
Our inside sales team knows how important it is that you get product quickly. We respond to requests within minutes. 85% of quotes are sent within an hour, if not sooner, and 98% of quotes are sent same day. We follow up to confirm that you received the quote, go over any technical questions as well as availability and pricing. If a customer calls us today by 3 p.m. and the product is in stock, it'll be on your dock tomorrow.
EandM has 4 full-time tech support engineers based in California, and 95% of our calls are answered live.
Nothing is offshored, nothing is forwarded to others. Accurate answers now is our commitment to our customers. We also know how detrimental downtime can be. Our customers can call our emergency line 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and someone will respond within minutes.
EandM knows that selecting the right product is only part of the solution. Being able to maintain the product is just as important. That's why EandM offers certified training classes and free workshops in San Francisco and Irvine, as well as online webinars to keep customers educated on the products they use and keep them up to date on the latest advancements in the automation industry. As we look to the future, EandM will continue to ensure its customers have the best products and support team available to keep their business up and running.
One of my favorite quotes is from the movie, The Best Exotic Marigold Hotel. One of the guests comes to the desk with a complaint, and the young man who's trying to make this hotel into reality says to her, "Don't worry, it'll be all right in the end. And if it's not all right now, it's not the end." And that is the fabric of our business. We are with you 100% of the way until the very end.